Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi speed is too slow at your iPhones. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, you have to connect with the strong Wi-Fi network. Now tap at settings. Now tap at Wi-Fi. Now tap at the I option at your Wi-Fi. Now page my screen, you can see a option low data mode. If the toggle is on, simply turn this off. Now the second solution is go back. Again open your settings. Now scroll it up. Now tap at battery option. Now page my screen, you can see low power mode. Simply toggle this off. Like this, you can easily fix this Wi-Fi speed problem at your iPhones. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.